Hello guys, we're back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the concept of pandemics, guys. So in our previous lecture, we discussed about epidemics, right? Okay. So if you recall, I just gave you a small trick to remember, right? So epidemics. So E after you will be getting P. So epidemics will occur initially, right? So it is nothing but local, like in a small areas. Whereas pandemic is a greater letter or the last letter. So it is nothing but a global effect. So it is nothing but the whole world will be affecting it. Like the best example for it will be our COVID, guys, corona. Okay, so it is related to geographical spread, okay, like the worldwide. Okay, so describes diseases that are affecting the whole country or the whole world. So these arises from food sources and water sources. So basically commonly these are spread or these are arised. So basically these are born from food sources, like the food habits that we are or someone is taking in, and from the water sources. Okay, so the best example will be your SARS and COVID-19. Okay, so SARS was in 19s and COVID is in 20th centuries, I'm saying. Okay, 21st century and 20th century. Okay, so spread of these diseases or viruses will be rapid and very fast. Okay, so the common causes, like how they are starting, is nothing but from the food sources only and or water sources. The effects of these will be the loss of human lives, guys. So there will be multiple deaths, the loss of employment, shutdowns and lockdowns at multiple places. These all things which we are observing nowadays, guys, due to COVID. Okay, yes. So shutdown and lockdown, and similarly economical losses and change in the future lives, the way how we live. So basically before introduction of COVID and everything, everyone, none of us or anyone did not used to wear masks. So now, even in future, we cannot say that the masks culture will be removed. We cannot say that, right? So still now the masks are continuing and everyone is wearing them, like that. There are few things which everything is being changed by the pandemic, right? So these are some effects, guys, you can say. Okay, so whatever we discussed in epidemic, the same things will be applied for pandemic also, guys. Okay, so the same points have been written here again. Okay, so the general countermeasures, so how you can counter them. Okay, so an effective medical and health plans. So basically if there are some proper health plans and medication for that particular virus to solve it, that could be a huge thing for resolving the whole issue. Similarly, close post disaster management of the medication and health aspect. So basically after the completion of the whole disaster or the whole virus spread, also monitoring should be done, and if there are any cases or anything, that should be again be sent. Okay, similarly public awareness and education before and after the disaster should be taken place. So basically the public awareness is really important, guys, because the best example is here we should wear masks, you should clean your hands, you should sanitize them and everything, right? So those are nothing but the public awareness, like everyone knows now. Okay, and education, like public awareness and education of that particular virus, or how to be away or how to take care of yourself, like that everything should be taught for each and everyone. Okay, and reinforcement of medical resources and supplies during this pandemic, so everything should be maintained properly. Okay, so basically whenever everything is even taken care by anyone, there could be some drawbacks, right? Okay, so special problems may arise. So special problems areas of disaster management are loss of medical and health resources. Okay, so if there is any kind of virus which is spreading really easily or fastly, like small clinics and small medical supplies, they will be closing their shops and they'll not opening them, right? So that might be a huge issue, right? Yes, so during this pandemic. Okay, similarly in some places countries shortage of special equipment. Okay, like some kind of beds, some kind of dresses, or some kind of masks, sanitizers and all those things. In the initial stages of COVID also there is a shortage for those things, right? Yes, so in that way there will be shortages of multiple items and they should get them from some other countries or continents. Yes, so similarly integration of outside, that's what, from the international and medical health assistance. So you should collect them from various places to accommodate in your particular country. Okay, controlling other common spread diseases. So basically you should make sure that you are not spreading some more diseases along with that thing, right? Along with that particular disease which is spreading now. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea about pandemic, right? Okay, so in your examination you may expect a question directly, like what is COVID and all those things. He might be asking like how to prevent or what are the causes and how to take care and how it can be controlled, like those kind of questions could also be asked. So make sure that you are ready for it also, guys. Okay, Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea about epidemic and pandemic. So in the next lecture, we will be going through some complex emergencies, guys. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.